Hi guys! Good morning! Welcome back to my channel. So ngayon, nagagayak na ako kasi pupunta kami sa Philippine store. And doon guys, may sila, buffet. And pupunta rin sila ate. So magkikita-kita na lang kami doon. And yung Philippine store guys, 30 minutes away lang sa amin. So, malapit-lapit lang siya. So, let's get ready guys. And nakapag skincare na rin pala ako. And nakapaglagay na rin ng foundation and ng concealer. So, next is sa eyeshadow na tayo. And yung open nung guys, yung buffet is 11 AM. Maaga kami pupunta guys kasi para may makuha kaming parking. Kasi last time pumunta kami nila ate lang kasi si Tem may work nun. So kaming tatlo lang, yung brother-in-law ko and yung ate ko tapos ako. Nung pumunta kami last time, wala kami nakuhang parking guys. As in, puno lahat. And, opening din kasi nun. So, marami talagang tao. Kaya hindi kami nakakuha ng parking. Pero mabilis naman kami nakaupo, nakakain. Yan guys, so this is my outfit for today. Yan. So, yan guys, car na kami. And, it's currently 10:22 and 10:40 yung dating namin doon. And sila ate daw is 10:55. So, okay lang naman kasi hindi pa bukas yung Philippine store. So, makakuha siguro kami ng parking. Ewan ko lang. Let's see na lang mamaya. Update ko na lang kayo mamaya ulit guys. So yan guys, dito na kami sa Ana's Philippine store and hindi pa open, so dito na lang muna kami sa car. He doesn't like it. Nakuha ko yung baboy.
I've been in and out my mind since I hit your phone. I've been counting up the times that I did you wrong. I just want you by my side when I get real gone. Feel it's been a little while since we got along. Yeah, we've been playing stupid games, the situation rotates, and they say communication save relations. Okay.
So yan guys, umorder din ako ng fishball, kwek-kwek, and ng taho. So yan guys, sila ate, yan sila, and punta kami ng Lalaport ngayon, sinusundan na lang namin sila. So yan, dito na kami guys. So yun. Sobrang haba ng pila guys. guys, tapos na kami ngayon sa Lalaport. Pupunta naman kami sa shabu-shabu, yung hotpot dito sa Japan. Doon na lang kami magkikita-kita nila ate kasi magkaiba yung park namin kanina. So, yeah. Pero malapit lang naman dito yung hotpot. Mga 30 minutes away. So, yan.
How I'm patient, wasting time ain't the way. Cause I can see it on your face. I've been tossing, turning, staying up all night long. I've been calling, yearning, wondering what I did wrong. I could tell by your eyes.
Dito na kami, guys.
So I talked with Tim and he said he wants to get this one.
So, dito na kami, guys.
Rambo?
Bit of the shop.
Turn it all out, told me every secret. Said that I care, asked do you mean it?
So, ito na guys yung in-order namin. Yung sukiyaki soup and then yung kimchi soup. This is my ate and my brother-in-law and si Tem.
Make sauce.
Big
So,
sauce. Ano sa inyo? Ano sa inyo?
Ponzu.
Ayun ito?
Yan. Sige, go na rin.
Isa?
Been okay, I'm putting off what's coming. Another night staring at the ceiling. You deserve to be alone, to be the one they're always thinking of. And I'm sorry I couldn't be there for you. Admit that I ignored it. You deserve to be alone. You deserve to be alone.
Ano ba?
Which one? Nothing.
We're waiting now for the next round of meat. It was worth the wait. Okay.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
Hi guys, we're home. So, mag-quick haul lang tayo ng mga pinamili namin kanina. And sa Philippine store guys, nilibre ako ng ate ko and ni Bill. So, yung brother-in-law ko. So, yun ang haul natin today guys. This one! So, first, Spanish bread. Nag-craving ako dito last week pa. And I got 3. Yan, I got 3. Tapos, itong pan de coco, dalawa. Tig-isa kami ni Tem. Tapos, itong ensaymada ata. Ensaymada. Makapuno. Tapos, ensaymada yema. Yema. Then, itong I forgot the name guys, pero ensaymada ba to? Basta ito guys, ito. Dalawa siya guys. Tig-isa rin kami ni Tem. Tapos, itong egg pie. Yan. Then, itong chocolate wafers. Yan. First time ko lang kakainin to guys. Nakita ko lang kanina and mukha naman masarap. So, yan. Tapos, itong dip. Yan. Last time na, tikman ko na rin to. Kasi nung pumunta kami sa Philippine store, nagpabili rin ako kay ate nito. So, yan. Last but not the least, ay, hindi, joke. Meron pa pala. So, itong crinkles ba to? Yan. Yan. So excited to eat this one. Tapos, itong root beer. Yan. And last but not the least is itong mango. So, yan. Yun yung mga pinamili namin sa Philippine store. Actually, guys, ito, nagulat na lang si ate. Ang dami ng laman sa basket kanina. Nilagay-lagay ko lang. So, yan. Ending, nilibre ako. Thank you, ate and Bill. And, from Uniqlo naman, guys, is itong sweatshirt to. Yan. Then, yung back niya, guys, ganito siya. M size yung kinuha ko. And ito, guys, pareho kami ni ate ng design. Pair shirt kami. So, and last but not the least, itong heat tech. Yan. Kasi guys, lumalamig na ngayon and I really need this. Kaya bumili na rin ako. So, yan. So, yun lang ang video natin for today guys. Sana nagustuhan nyo. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!